Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Just Boggy here, and today we're back on the RC project, and we're going to be fitting this, which is basically engine noises. Don't know how it's going to work, don't know if it's any good. I've always wanted something with engine noises. You can turn it right down. If it doesn't work, we'll completely rip it off. Not rip it off, we'll take it off, and that's that. But I'm giving it a go. Bought it on Amazon, link in the description. Don't know how it's going to fit. It's a big old boy. Comes with no instructions, but you get some 3M tape. The module isn't too sad, it's the speaker that's massive. So it's going to be fun working out where we're going to put it in the car, but let's give it a go. Bottom of the battery tray there was a pad there. I'm guessing that's to rest the battery on so it doesn't rub or whatever. Taking that out, it left a horrible sticky pad underneath, so it's taken me all that time to get that out because 3M tape was never going to stick to that. And the sticky stuff, it was never going to stick properly anyway. So I've got that out now. It's finally clean. So what I'm going to do is stick this down there. Sorry about the camera angle. Like so. The battery's going to go on top of that. Like I said, there's a bit of a space there now, so the speaker can vibrate and it's not going to hit anything. That way that's protected. The battery will go on top, and I'll strap that down because, like I say, I only use one battery. I can use two, but I'm starting the hobby again from fresh, so I'm only having one battery. And the other side here is perfect for that junction box. So I'll stick that down with some 3M. I've got to be careful because, like I said, there's a drive shaft there which constantly turns, and you don't want wires wrapping around that. So I will be going over this crossbar, and I haven't got any zip ties like I said in the other video. I've ordered some, so I'm just using this green wire for the moment, just so I can, there you go, like garden wire. There is metal in it, so you've got to be careful. I don't want nothing shorting out, but for the minute where I'm planning on my wires, I'm just using that. Then I'll go back with cable ties when they come. So I've ordered them from Amazon, so they should be here soon, and I'll plumb this in. We'll see how it looks, and then we'll hear how it sounds. I know some of you guys are probably looking at the screen, you're probably going to comment going, oh, I've had one of those, it's rubbish. Possibly, but let me find out for myself. It is purely for a giggle. If it makes people laugh, I'm all for it, because as you know guys, life's too short, you know. So we'll find out in a minute. Okay, so the state of play. I've got it in. There's the module, there's the speaker. Got it all hooked up. I know it looks like a bit of a mess at the minute, but I don't want to button it all up and it not work properly. Well, I say that, I've tested it, it works, but there's nothing on the throttle, so it's just engine noise, just idle noise, which is not as what is advertised. So I'm guessing it is a pile of steaming horse manure. I just can't get it to work. I'll start it up, just make sure it's on, but yeah, not particularly pleased with it. So ready? Earphone users, be aware. But when I rev it, which I can't do because it's just going to fly away because I'm holding the camera, it just makes those noises. So I can change the sounds. when you throttle that up and brake, there's no brake, which there should be a screech, and there's, you know, the rev should get higher, but it doesn't. So unfortunately, and it's changing. I don't know why it keeps changing. It's supposed to remember, but it never remembers, and it just keeps changing. It's all plugged in correctly, so I'm guessing I'm not going to bother. There is another one you can get, but the box is so big that it's just never going to fit in here. So unfortunately, that is a lesson. Don't bother with it, it's rubbish. So there you go. If you're thinking about fitting one of these sound modules from Amazon, £35 I think it was, don't bother. Waste of time. It just didn't sense that the car was going forward and braking. Other than that, as you heard, it sounded alright. Got no problems with the sound. I had it on the lowest setting, so you can imagine how loud it gets. But it just kept on choosing different sounds without me doing anything. And it's supposed to have like a battery memory thing where you pick the sound and then it just saves it. But of course, the instructions are absolute. Well, there are no instructions. What I found on the net, and just plugged it in. You daisy chain it basically. That wire basically broke. Just don't bother, guys. It really is. I mean, it did put a smile on my face. It did make me think, oh, you know, it did add a new element to it, but it is absolutely a waste of time. And the other one that they do is like probably 3 times the size of this. It's never going to go in there. There's no space. So think about it before you buy it. Just wasting my money, really. But hey, I've done that, so you don't have to. Just make sure you don't buy it. And if you do buy it on a whim, let me know. Let me know if you've had any more luck than I have. But that is complete junk, to be honest with you. But it did make me smile with the noise, but it just didn't work. So lesson learned. There you go, guys. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you on the next one. Do give us a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. Let me know why you thumbs it down, and see you in the next one. Never give up.